improve this place. Such a great thought, and I heartily compliment you, sir. And next, I talk about the school. When I first entered the school, everything is, there's a personal touch. There's a lot of passion from the school management, from the teachers, even the students. And today, I proudly say, standing here, that today I'm talking to so many IFS officers, IAS officers, so many army generals, so many Kalpana Chawlas, Sunita Williams, and I'm sure one of you will, inshallah, will become President of India also. I'm sure the kind of curriculum we have here, the kind of positiveness, and above all, thank you so much. And above all, the very concept of, the inculcation of that very idea, that knowledge is life. I'm sure it will take you leaps and bounds. I have no doubt that each and every child who's passing out from here, that nothing can stop him or her. And the world will be at his feet, and the world is his. With this short talk, I take a leave. I wish you all the best. A great honor to be here amongst you. It's a great honor given to me by the management. I compliment you, my best wishes, and I'm damn sure that nobody can stop you. You guys are so good, so much of vibrance. Please continue it. Godspeed, best wishes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and gesture and sparing your valuable time in coming here. It's really heartfelt. Thank you so much once again.
For Pratap World School, such a great school. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your precious words. Now, we'll be handing over mic to Principal Ma'am.
And rightly said by our Honorable Chief Guest, Balramji. And right now, I would like to request our Honorable Chairman, sir, and worthy members of management, please come on the stage to hand over a memento to our esteemed Chief Guest for today. Osim ma'am and Richa ma'am, please come on the stage. Osim ma'am and Richa ma'am, please come on the stage. Bhupinder sir. without taking much of your time, I take this pride to thank our today's honorable chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Vijay Balram ji, who has devoted his valuable time with us and made this program a great success. Thank you, sir, for coming over here and sparing your time. I must tell you, the school management from time to time always tries to give the best to the children. This is the platform from where the children learns many things, and this is the platform from where children gains every confidence of life. So this is also one of the vision of our management and worthy chairman sir especially, to give an idea to the children regarding the architect, regarding the technology, and regarding the views which we could create in the minds of our children to visualize their future. I don't think it's just an showcasement of helicopter in our school premises. I believe strongly this establishment will definitely give birth to many such captains, colonels, and air chief marshals from this school. And the best wishes which you have conveyed, definitely we will prove one day to this world there is not only one Kalpana Chawla or one Sunita Williams, there may be millions and crores of such children present in our country. And at the end, I definitely would like to thank all the members of management, members of all the staff present over here, all my students and the persons from the media, those who all have supported us to make this event a grand success, and we feel proud to be an Indian. Thank you all.
प्रताप वर्ल्ड स्कूल से लाया गया है ये MI 8 एयरक्राफ्ट को इनॉग्रेट करने के लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थैंक द स्कूल मैनेजमेंट फॉर द वेरी नोबल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इनिशिएटिंग एन MI 8. एक MI 8 एयरक्राफ्ट को इधर एस्टैब्लिश करके जो बच्चों को इंस्पिरेशन कराने का एक सोच है, मैं उसको दाद देता हूँ. स्कूल मैनेजमेंट की एक अच्छी सोच है, बिकॉज पठानकोट अटैक से हमें काफ़ी कुछ सिखाई मिला है. दिस एयरक्राफ्ट वो हमें याद दिलाता है कि जब पठानकोट अटैक हुआ है, क्योंकि एयरफोर्स का है, पठानकोट एयरफोर्स याद दिलाता है बच्चों को. और पठानकोट एयरफील्ड में जब अटैक हुआ था, हमने कैसे दुश्मनों के अटैक को नाकाम किया है. एंड ये बच्चों को सिखलाई देता है कि हमारा कंट्री एक ग्रेट नेशन है, कि चंद लोग जो है बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके हमारा ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. और साथ में मल्टी यूटिलिटी हेलीकॉप्टर जो काफ़ी काम कर सकता है, वो भी बच्चों को ये इंस्पिरेशन देता है जैसे एक एयरक्राफ्ट को अलग अलग रोल में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उसी तरह एक बच्चा भी अपने आप को मल्टीटास्किंग के लिए अपने आप को ग्रो करेगा. और साथ में अबव ऑल ये सेंस ऑफ पैट्रियोटिज्म, सेंस ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट टू द आर्म फोर्सेस एंड एन इंस्पिरेशन, एक कंटिन्यूसली जैसे ही आता है सुबह बच्चा एयरक्राफ्ट देखेगा, शाम को जब जाता है एयरक्राफ्ट देखेगा. सो मेरे तरफ से इट्स ए नोबल थॉट फ्रॉम स्कूल, एक अच्छा सोच है और उसको इनॉग्रेशन करने के लिए मुझे बुलाया गया. ये मेरे लिए बड़ी गर्व की बात है कि मैं भी इसमें इस नोबल थॉट में मैं भी एक हिस्सा हूँ.